Welcome to the second lesson of the ETIM Essentials course. My name is Alex. I am an AI avatar and I will be your trainer for this lesson. In today's fast-moving, tech-driven world, product assortments change constantly. In fact, around 20% of products in any technical business evolve each year. Yet, construction projects often span several years. This creates a huge challenge. How can we ensure the right products show up at the right place at the right time? Millions of technical products pass through complex logistical supply chains. Meanwhile, poor quality product data still causes costly errors. Wrong orders and deliveries delay construction, underperforming installations lead to rework, and logistics spiral into chaos. The result? A waste of time and money, disputes with business partners, and sometimes double-digit losses on total project costs. In technical industries, clear and detailed product data isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. Just a product name and a price won't cut it. To make the right choice, we need to know if a product actually fits the job. This means that you will need a second supply chain of product information, besides the actual supply chain of materials. Because you know what they say, no data equals no sales. But sharing product information across businesses is messy. Why? Different languages, units, and technical standards. Also, varying names for the same thing, or the same name for different things. This picture here, for instance, would you call this a tank, a vessel, or a container? And then we also have to deal with conflicting data formats, like Excel, XML, CSV, or JSON, and the timing of updates can be out of sync as well. The manufacturer could update its data in January, but on the receiving end, updates won't be scheduled before December. The result? A digital Tower of Babel. To tackle this, companies are turning to product information management systems, also known as PIMs, centralizing data into a single source of truth. It's a great step, but still labor-intensive. Manual data entry, conversions, and validations are still necessary, while human error still remains a risk. How can we improve this situation? Well, first you need to understand that different types of product data have different owners. Various departments within manufacturing companies own the core product data, like technical features, images, certifications, and brand series type descriptions. On top of that, they also manage trade item data to sell the product to resellers and customers. Resellers, however, only manage trade item data like pricing, stock, lead times, while reusing the product data that the manufacturer has compiled for them. In a supply chain as a whole, the same product might appear with multiple trade item records. You would want these trade item records always reuse the same product data set from the manufacturer. Understanding this is crucial. Not only does it prevent redundant work, but also this will increase the quality of product data in the business channel. So what's your role? Are you a manufacturer? Then you must provide a digital twin of your product, not just the physical item. Are you a wholesaler? You should discuss getting product data from your suppliers. But you manage your own trade item data. Are you a building contractor, an electrician, or a plumber? In that case, you depend on accurate data from both manufacturer and seller to choose the right product. We are almost there, but not quite. Because we have saved the best for last. The biggest win in product information management is when all product information management systems, e-commerce systems, and enterprise requirement planning systems within a business channel are connected and automatically share information instead of retyping, converting, manipulating, and validating manually. Everybody can now enjoy the benefits of using a single source of truth. And in doing so, eliminate errors in product information that save a ton of failure costs. Now that you have come to understand the essence of product information management and your role, there is one more important topic to address. Standardization precedes automation. In order to achieve this single source of truth workflow in a business channel, you would need to standardize the exchange of product information. That is where ETIM comes in. To avoid errors and enable automation, we must make product data machine-readable and exchangeable. Basically, it will put your product information management on steroids. ETIM International currently offers 3 open standards that power this digital transformation. ETIM Product Classification. This classification model is standardizing product classes and features. Then there is ETIM modeling classification, the same classification principle applied to standardize product geometry for use in BIM object libraries. And finally, we also have published ETIM Exchange, the standardizing format for automating the digital exchange of all product information between systems. Clean, standardized product data is not just about efficiency. It's about making projects successful. PIM systems are powerful, but only when they are based on global standards and connect to a trusted shared source of product truth. Let's build that future together.